times we come across the word superfood and how they help us. So, what are superfoods? Do they really help us? Today in our video we are going to discuss about top 20 superfoods which we can inculcate in our diet. Berries. These tiny blue or purple berries are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese which help in strengthening the immune system, helping in blood clotting, bone metabolism, reducing inflammation, helps in cholesterol metabolism. Blueberries are rich in phytochemicals like polyphenols, flavonoids, stilbenes, which increase antioxidant activity in blood and have anti-cancer effects. Avocado. The creamy avocado is rich in many vitamins like vitamin A, E, K, vitamin B, C. It is source of phytochemicals like lutein and zeaxanthin that are beneficial for eye health. It contains about 35% more potassium than bananas, which help to lower blood pressure. It has antioxidant glutathione that boosts immune system. It has high fiber content which aids in healthy digestive system and promotes weight loss. It is good source of monounsaturated fat which helps to reduce the LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol level. Lemons are a good source of potassium and helps in reducing the risk of heart diseases. It lowers anxiety and improves mood, helps to break down of kidney and bladder stones. It has an alkalizing effect on body. Lemon water helps to detoxify your system. This vitamin C rich fruit helps you to fight infections and helps you to get a clearer skin. It aids in metabolism and helps in weight loss. It reduces the risk of anemia. It is helpful to strengthen the nerves and boost your brain function. Garlic. You may dislike the pungent smell of garlic, but do you know allicin, the compound responsible for its pungent smell, is also responsible for its anti-cancer and heart-friendly properties. It helps to prevent heart attack and atherosclerosis. It aids to lower triglyceride and cholesterol in blood, aids in digestion and provide relief from infections, cold and cough. It is rich source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese and selenium. So do make sure to add garlic in your food daily. Grapefruit. It is rich in vitamin C, A, vitamin E, B, K, calcium, phosphorus, potassium. It helps to keep the immune system strong, prevents cancer, cold and flu, asthma, fight fungal, bacterial, viral infections, promote digestion. It helps to reduce water retention and swelling of legs during pregnancy. Some research suggests that it improves liver function and helps in liver detoxification. So, grapefruit juice is actually good for you as it has range of benefits. The next superfood we are going to discuss is salmon. Make sure you choose wild salmon for your platter. It is high in vitamin D, vitamin B12 and has abundant amount of omega-3 fatty acids. It is rich in mineral iodine and selenium. It reduces the risk of heart diseases, boosts brain function and is a very good source of protein. Spirulina. This filamentous multicellular blue-green algae is rich in calcium, niacin, potassium, magnesium, B vitamins and iron. It has abundant amount of protein in it, about 60 to 70% of its dry weight. It has anti-cancer properties, eases anemia in older people, enhances endurance performance. This heart-healthy food is considered one of the most nutrient-dense food in the planet. Third, the presence of good bacteria helps to strengthen your immune system. Lactobacillus, Lactococcus promote gut health. Soothe inflamed digestive tract. Calcium strengthen bones and teeth. Curd prevent the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. Presence of good bacteria helps in boosting your immunity and overall health. It prevents accumulation of cortisol in body that eventually lead to obesity. Apart of this, there are many beauty benefits of curd. Antioxidant prevents wrinkles. It acts as natural remedy for dandruff. So don't forget to have your bowl of curd daily. Wheatgrass. These are fresh sprouted leaves of wheat plant, a store of many vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium. Chlorophyll present in it strengthens the immune system, improves liver detoxification, speeds wound healing. Wheatgrass is rich in protein and contains 17 amino acids. Chlorophyll has antibacterial properties. It is an important blood builder. Molecule of chlorophyll and heme molecule has great similarity. Chlorophyll helps in liver detoxification. Wheatgrass is gluten-free. Studies have shown that wheatgrass juice can remove heavy metals from the body. Gooseberry. The Indian gooseberry or amla is packed with several nutrients. It is rich source of vitamin C, iron, calcium. It reduces free radicals that cause diseases, reduce risk of heart diseases by preventing buildup of bad cholesterol, cures constipation. It helps people with diabetes. It has chromium, which makes body more responsive to insulin and thus regulate the blood glucose level. Cinnamon, the sweet smelling spice, is added to enhance flavor of food, but it is loaded with several antioxidants which boost immunity, reduce muscle and joint pain. It has antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, antiparasitic properties. It fights cancer, mainly cancer of blood and lymph, reduce blood sugar level and helps in treatment of type 2 diabetes. It helps to reduce cholesterol levels. However, only small amount of it should be added in your food. If taken in large doses, it can be toxic. Beetroot. Beetroots are linked with several health benefits like lowering blood pressure, improving blood flow, treating anemia, enhancing cognitive function. Research has shown that beetroot juice intake enhances stamina during intense exercise. Broccoli, storehouse of many vitamins including vitamin K, C, folic acid. Vitamin C which helps the body to protect from free radical damage. Raw broccoli is said to be more beneficial than cooked as cooking locks the compound sulforaphane, making it unavailable to the body. Raw broccoli has about 10 times more sulforaphane compound than cooked. Cutting and chewing activates this compound in raw broccoli. Sulforaphane has anti-cancer properties and protects the body against cancer-causing substances. It also has anti-diabetic effect and is good for heart health. Sweet potatoes. Most people love the taste of sweet potatoes, but do you know that it is very nutritious root loaded with vitamin A, C, magnesium, potassium. Vitamin A is important in eye health and warding off infections. Almonds. This nutrient-rich nut is rich in vitamin E and protein and is one of the best non-dairy source of calcium in diet. It is rich in phytochemicals like flavonoids, phytosterols, methylquercetin. It helps to lower cancer risk like colon and rectal cancer. Flax seeds, rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin B, magnesium, manganese, making it a heart-healthy food. It reduces the risk of heart attack and stroke. The fiber helps to reduce the cholesterol and elevate blood sugar level and help people suffering from diabetes, boost immune system of the body. Studies have reported that flax seeds help to treat mild menopausal symptoms. Green tea. Green tea is made from leaves of plant Camellia sinensis. It is loaded with healthy compounds like polyphenols and catechins, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin 3 gallate. EGCG, the most powerful and abundant antioxidant present in green tea, has shown its cancer preventive role in many studies. Its role in reducing the risk of neurological disease like dementia and Alzheimer is also being studied. Many studies have revealed that it causes thermogenic effect in body which helps in burning more calories. In a study it was found that drinking green tea on regular basis helps in weight reduction. Green tea is packed with many important vitamins like vitamin A, B2, B3, B6, C, E, folic acid, potassium, thus making it fall in the category of superfood. The amino acid L-theanine present in green tea helps brain to make dopamine that has a calming effect on body and keeps you in better mood. It has antimicrobial, antiviral and antibacterial effects, thus helping to prevent infections. Turmeric. The haldi you keep in your kitchen, which adds a vibrant color to your curries, is full of healthy active ingredient called curcumin. Many studies have revealed that curcumin helps to fight inflammation, prevent cancer occurrence, stabilizes blood sugar. Turmeric taken together with black pepper may be effective in lowering bad cholesterol. Turmeric helps liver to flush out toxins by stimulating the production of bile. Thus, it is a liver detoxifier. Since ancient times, turmeric paste was used for wound healing due to its natural antiseptic properties. Ginger, also called gingiber officinale, consists of powerful antioxidants. It aids in burning fat, aids in digestion, reduces pain and inflammation, lowers blood pressure. These benefits are mainly attributed to its phytochemical compound called gingerol. Juice extracted from ginger root along with honey helps to treat cold and flu. Some studies have reported that gingerol helps in treatment of ovarian cancer. Consuming ginger tea reduces the risk of colon cancer and strengthens the immune system. It also helps in treatment of morning sickness. Being good source of magnesium, chromium and zinc, it improves blood flow in the body. Tomatoes. The bright red tomatoes you have in your grocery list are a rich source of vitamin C, beta-carotene that helps the immune system and keeps the skin clear. Vitamin K and calcium helps to keep the skeleton system strong. Phytochemical lycopene found in tomatoes is an anti-cancer compound which reduces the risk of prostate cancer. Tomatoes helps in lowering the bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of stone formation and reduces migraine. conclude, adding these superfoods into your diet may help you to keep yourself in a healthy state, keeping many diseases at bay, lowering the risk of infections, boosting your immunity, and strengthening your metabolism. These superfoods are truly the gift of nature to humans.